Big today for 20. Let me show you this full review right now. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac. Barbecue sauce. Hold on, barbecue sauce. Alright, add a little barbecue sauce on my little burger right now. It's time to do this Big Mac review. Big Mac review, huh? Okay. Alright. The Big Mac can taste the same how it used to taste.
We'll try again next year. Yeah, try to make it. Yeah.
Okay.
See, I've been forgetting about shit like that.
Okay.
But, so.
Alright, got barbecue sauce in there a little bit. Add a little barbecue sauce on this burger right here to make it taste a little better. But y'all go and give me your opinion about this Big Mac review. Is the Big Mac taste the same how it used to taste back in the day? Or does it taste kind of flingy right now because of COVID? I'm out of here. Let's talk about it.